Let's discuss one more question in which all 6 trigonometric ratios are given and many concepts also we need to use. Let's read the question first. Minus cot 90 minus theta. Okay, cot 90 minus theta. Let's stop there only. What idea do you get when we say 90 minus theta? Complementary angles, right? So first concept, complementary angles. Then tan theta plus sec theta cos sec 90 minus theta. Okay, so again 90 minus theta, so complementary angles. Then plus sine square 35 plus sine square 55. Okay, now that doesn't make any sense because we don't have value of sine 35 and sine 55 as well. So what are we going to do? Use logic. Okay, I tell you what to do. Sine 35, angle is 35 plus sine 55, 35 and 55. What do you get? 90. When I taught the concept of complementary angles, I told you add the angles, and if you are getting 90, you are going to use concept of what? Complementary angles. Remember, let's come to denominator. 10, 10, 10, 20, 10, 30, 10, 70, 10, 80. Right. Here as well you can use the concept of complementary angles, which is 10, 10, 10, 80. 80 and 10 will make 90. 20 and 70 will make 90. So in denominator also we are going to use concept of complementary angles, and there is tan 30 as well. So we'll substitute the value then, right? Let's start. So first of all, minus cot 90 minus theta will become what? Minus, as it is, tan theta. Done? And tan theta as it is, tan theta, plus sec theta as it is, no change. But cos sec theta will become what? Sec theta. 90 minus theta is there. See. Plus sine square 35. So can I convert this sine into cos? Yes, we can. So I'm going to write cos square 90 minus 35. Whatever is the angle, you need to subtract from 90. Plus sine square 55 as it is, 55 degree. Done? Now let's talk about the denominator. So denominator tan 10. Can I write here cot 90 minus 10 degree? Yes, because I am using complementary angles concept. Then tan 20, I am going to write cot 90 degree minus 20 degree. Then tan 30 as it is, then tan 70 as it is, and tan 80 degree as it is. Done? So I have used the complementary angle concept is almost done except denominator. So here tan theta into tan theta, that is minus tan square theta. Okay, good. Plus sec theta into one more sec theta, that is sec square theta. Good. Then cos square 90 minus 35. What's the value? Cos square 55 degree plus sine square 55 degree. Very, very important concept here. And denominator, it is cot 80 degree. Let's shift this tan 80 over here. Then here tan 80 degree. Then here cot what? 90 minus 20 will give you 70 degree. Let's shift tan 70 here as well. Tan 70 degree and tan 30 as it is. Okay. So now what to do? What I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to use identities now because I can see square, 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 square. Done. Okay. So identities. Sec square theta, I will be using identity. What sec square theta is equal to? We know 1 plus tan square theta. So this I am going to replace over here. That's done. But come to this cos square 55, sin square 55. Even after using complementary angles, we don't have these two values. So we are not even supposed to substitute the values of these angles. We need to use the identity. See, this is same as cos theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Right? What was the condition? You have cos and sine, we have it, square we have it, plus we have it, same angles also we have it, 55 and 55. So I will be replacing with 1, right? So first of all, let's write whatever we have discussed, otherwise you will forget. Tan square theta plus, instead of sec square theta, what? 1 plus tan square theta and directly 1. Why 1? I told you the reason behind writing 1 over here is same angle, sine and cos, then square, and in the terms of addition. Now cot 80 and tan 80. Important, cot 80 degree, tan 80 degree. Now let's use the reciprocal ratio. This tan will become what? 1 upon cot. Simple, cot cancels, so what's left? 1. Same I can write for the cot 70 and tan 70. Cot 70 degree and tan 70 degree will also be 1. Simple. So here 1 for it and 1 for it, and tan 30 degree. What is the value of tan 30 degree? That is 1 by square root of 3. Simple. Now let's simplify further. Okay, tan square theta and minus tan square theta, that will get cancelled. So what's left in numerator? There is 1 over here and 1 over here. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. And this root 3 will go into numerator. Why? Because it is in denominator and again it is in denominator. So that will be root 3 over here and 1. So my final answer is 2 root 3. That's my final answer. And I'm done with the question. Let's recall what we did in this question. First of all, you need to observe there are so many concepts we use over here. We use the concept of complementary angles, right? Many times, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times we use the complementary angles concept. Then we use the identities 2 times. Then we substituted the value of trigonometric ratio, which is tan, for angle what? 30 degree, right? So you need to, actually simplification was very small in this one, and more about the trigonometric ratios. So remember how to do when you have all the concepts from this chapter in a one sum. So that was our sum.